How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So if WhatsApp isn't syncing your iPhone contacts, you can try these steps to fix it. So just open WhatsApp and tap on chats at the bottom. And now simply tap the new message icon at the top right, and here you will see a list of contacts pulled from your phone. You can scroll down and look for invite to WhatsApp. This means that the contact exists on your phone but they don't have WhatsApp yet. And now if you know someone does use WhatsApp but doesn't appear, let's fix that. So go to your iPhone settings, and once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. And here make sure that the contacts toggle is turned on. If it is turned off, WhatsApp can't access your contact list. And if contacts are still missing, you can go back to settings, and from here simply tap on general. Now here in this section, simply tap on iPhone storage. And once you are inside the iPhone storage, simply scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Now here, once you are in the WhatsApp settings, simply select offload app, and after that reinstall it. And once you do that, it will refresh the app and can fix syncing issues. And here, once you're done with all that, you can reopen WhatsApp and tap on new message. And after that, you should see your full contact list. And that's it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.